Hidden among the majestic Himalayas lies a small kingdom famous for happiness rather than wealth. But behind Bhutan's peaceful image stands a business empire that reaches into banking, aviation, telecom, hospitality, and manufacturing. This is the story of the man widely regarded as Bhutan's richest businessman. Many business observers identify Dasho Topgil Dorji as Bhutan's wealthiest entrepreneur. Rather than building a fortune from a single company, he helped expand the Tashi Group into one of the country's largest private business organizations, operating across numerous industries. So, how much is Bhutan's richest businessman worth? Because his companies are privately held, there is no official 2026 net worth published. However, several widely circulated estimates suggest his fortune is around $1 billion. It would make him one of the wealthiest business figures in Bhutan. The Tashi Group began as a small trading business and eventually expanded into hotels, banking, construction, beverages, telecom, and aviation. Today, it has become one of Bhutan's most influential private business groups, reflecting decades of diversification and growth. Instead of relying on one source of income, the business group operates across multiple sectors, from telecommunications and hospitality to beverages and aviation. Diversification has been a major strength behind its success. Bhutan is unlike many countries. It is internationally known for emphasizing gross national happiness alongside economic development. Building a large private enterprise in such a unique environment requires balancing business ambitions with the country's values and development priorities. Large business groups create jobs, invest in infrastructure, and contribute to national development. The success of Bhutan's largest private enterprises demonstrates how entrepreneurship can play an important role in a country's economy while adapting to local traditions. Bhutan may be one of the world's smallest nations, but its business stories prove that vision and long-term thinking can build remarkable enterprises. Wealth is measured in many ways, and in Bhutan, success is often seen through both economic achievement and national well-being. The story of Bhutan's leading business figures reminds us that great ideas can grow from even the smallest countries.